senior Congress leader Pawan Bansal, who has been given the ticket from the Chandigarh seat. Sir, much controversial. Chandigarh seat has been given to you. Your own minister was laying claim to it. Do you think that this will give the opposition a chance to again slander on the Congress?
See, as far as when you talk of opposition, it is not the opposition here in Delhi, the national opposition, which may have talked of it. It is only some people who feel that I have been winning that seat repeatedly from that place and who are affected by that, right, and perhaps thought that there is a ray of hope for them. They may be talking of it, and there are many, many things which have been only simulated, concocted and said. If one doesn't make a difference between what is the turnover and the assets, and he is able to beguile the media, and the media goes by that, and you keep writing it, what else can I say? That it is only simulation of a controversy. There's no controversy. Anyone who would have followed the proceedings, and I think in a society governed by the rule of law, you must all have faith in the judicial system.
But are you finally happy that your high command has trusted you? There was a difficulty in finding another candidate, perhaps, because you were the most...
Perhaps you are saying that again. Did someone in the High Court say that, in the High Command say that to you? You know,
they have given you the seat.
That is the presumption you are always drawing, that this is what has happened, this is what has happened. I am saying that High Command, knowing the facts very well, having known the charge sheet against me, having known the order passed 3 days back by the same CBI court, when somebody tried to go to the court again, challenging the investigation, and the court then turned it down, saying that we are not the caged parrots of any investigating agency. The court has taken cognizance of the matter after going into all the circumstances. If somebody still insists on saying something and passing a judgment against me on presumptive guilt, well, that's his outlook.
But do you think this is an issue there in Chandigarh?
There is a question of credibility for anyone who alleges that against me. Chandigarh, it will not be an issue. I invite you to Chandigarh one day to talk about, about it.
There is a reason for you to smile today.
Well, I try to smile always. But, well, I suppose if the face is that it doesn't smile, that's a different thing. But I'm nonchalant in my approach. Well, I know there may be people who may be believing in Schadenfreude at times, but my approach is that of Sangfroid.
Okay. Thank you for talking to us. Mr. Pawan Bansal, actually very satisfied getting the Chandigarh seat, and he does believe that it will be a non-issue in Chandigarh. With camera person DK Singh, this is Mosmi Singh in Delhi for Headlines Today.